Our challenge was, how can we provide fast enough and good enough parts to be assembled on our motors? We have chosen the Schuster machine because we found a supplier who was really focused on our needs. The Schuster is not only one machine, it's a whole automated machining cell. We do have 2 turning machines, 2 robots and a bin picking camera. All working together hand in hand. One of the most advantages for me as a technician is for sure that I can do all my work on one HMI. I can control the whole cell on one surface. I only need to know one language, it's numeric. A big advantage is that we can implement the digital twins. You can build and simulate your whole CNC programs with direct digital twin of your machine and your workpieces and your clamping devices and your tools and so on. Everything you need is just simulated in the software. We use a real-time simulation to prevent our machine on our cell for crashes. We do have a shop floor management system where we combine a few different apps on it. For example, for tool management and for program management. We do have our programs on one centralized place. You have everything in one ecosystem. And the implementation of our new machining system was way more easy and faster with all the Siemens solutions we are used to and work with. With the help of our new numeric control system and the apps, we were able to produce twice as fast as we usually do.